client-focused reforms are based on a fundamental principle that the client's interests must come first. The regulations codify a set of enhancements to the existing KYC, suitability, and relationship disclosure requirements. The CFRs also introduce a new Know Your Product or KYP provision for both investment dealers and advisors. For an investment dealer, the KYP expectations move beyond what was previously regulatory guidance to form stringent rules requiring dealers to increase their level of due diligence on the securities made available to their clients. Investment dealers must now take reasonable steps to ensure securities made available to clients have been assessed, approved, and monitored for significant change.
When we polled the wealth management industry during our CFR roundtable, we observed that nearly 70% of dealers were exploring how to best monitor significant changes and assess their product shelf. In light of these regulations, our research has shown that a dealer's product shelf is constantly changing. For example, in a typical week, there are over 192 new funds, 21 removed, and 2,000 product changes, which included 1,500 MER changes.
Every night, ShelfMonitor reviews industry data to find material changes to the products on your shelf. Keeping track of changes has never been easier. For example, ETF and mutual fund terminations and additions are communicated in an inconsistent format, from press releases to material change reports at unpredictable times. With ShelfMonitor, you can find all relevant additions and deletions in a single place. ShelfMonitor tracks all the changes at the fund series level, so you know exactly what was affected. The changes are presented in a consistent format and available on demand. When there are hundreds of risk rating changes in a single month, instead of looking out for news releases from fund companies, you need a tool to easily identify which products became riskier and which decreased in risk ratings. When there are thousands of product changes, like MERs, to sort through, ShelfMonitor helps you easily identify the funds with the biggest changes. Our goal really is to get you the right information when you need it. While ShelfMonitor reviews many data fields and data sources on a nightly basis, you decide which data points to turn on or off. Our proprietary materiality index then lets you sift through the noise and control which changes rise to the top. You can monitor changes on your shelf using ShelfMonitor's web interface. You can also get significant change alerts sent directly to your inbox. Demonstrating compliance with your significant change monitoring obligation is only a click away.
Please contact us today for a conversation on how we can provide you with compliance pain relief.